I'm back at downtown Disney to check out the all-new Disneyland Backlot Premiere Shop and much more. So how about you and I dive right in. As far as the security check is concerned, I heard some people talking about how they are going to be testing out some new scanners that you just kind of walk right through them instead of having to give an employee your bag. So it's just eliminating the touch points. Did not experience that today, which I thought they were going to be implemented. So maybe on the harbor side they are. On the hotel side, there isn't anything yet. So right when you walk into downtown Disney, we have this beautiful painting of Chadwick Boseman. Love it. It was done, I forgot the artist's name, but yeah, it's a beautiful piece. It's really, really nice. And one of the main reasons why we're here today is for the all-new Disneyland Backlot Premiere Shop, which is in Stage 17, which used to hold the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire show, some character meet and greets, and of course some dance parties in years past. Let's go check that out in a little bit, but also see what else is going on at downtown Disney. Man, it sucks so much to not see the monorail open. I wish we could just ride it around a couple times, you know, but hopefully one day soon. So I'm kind of making my way through downtown Disney. I've noticed that they've changed the hand washing stations. These look a little bit more permanent now. They have some nice little sparkly design on the side there. And yeah, it just looks a little bit more permanent than what they used to look like. I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing these inside the park as well once it eventually reopens. Mobile order continues to dominate as they keep adding more and more specialty shops and dining locations to the list. Mobile order is great. It's just super easy and convenient. They do it inside the park, so it was only a matter of time until they did it to downtown Disney. And because of the current situation, it's just a lot easier to do this now. So wouldn't be surprised if more stores use the virtual queue system and or / the mobile order system. As we're just kind of chilling by the fountain here, I just want to give a huge shout out to my Theme Park Obsession members on Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you so very much for all the support that you guys give to the channel. It helps out tremendously, and yeah, I wouldn't be able to do as much without you guys. So again, thank you so much. If you guys are interested in joining to become a Buy Me a Coffee member and you're new, go ahead and follow the link down below in the description for that. No pressure though. Watching and liking the videos is more than enough. But if you want to go the extra mile, feel free to hit that link down in the description. Now, as far as the theme parks are concerned, again, we don't know when they are going to open. Nobody does, really, because the state still hasn't issued guidelines for theme parks here in California. They did, I think they did like a little preview of what they wanted, and it was for theme parks to open up in the yellow tier because we're on a colored tiered system here in the state. But in order to get to the yellow tier, it's going to be pretty difficult. So I don't know if those were approved for theme parks or if theme parks are going to go back to the drawing board with the state and come up with maybe a better solution or a better idea to get these parks open. I've been hearing some rumors going around that they want to try to open up in the orange tier, which is the next tier that Orange County is heading towards. Right now, Orange County is in the red tier, and the next tier below that is the orange tier. And I think that's what they're trying to shoot for. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully soon these theme parks can open up safely and responsibly. Now again, the entrance to this is on the Harvard side ticket booth. So just right over here, super easy to find. You have an outdoor queue, and you can see off in the distance there, you just go right into the backstage access. You don't need a virtual queue as of right now, but I'm assuming once it gets busier, they'll do virtual queue. They don't have any of the new security check machines over here on the harbor side, so I'm assuming this is just a Walt Disney World thing, and then eventually they'll bring it over here to Disneyland because they are way more efficient. You don't have anybody having to check your bag. You just walk through the sensor, and that's it. There's no more waiting in really long lines for bag checks, so I hope they do bring that here to Disneyland because it would be an incredible help for when the parks do eventually return to normal. Oh look, they even themed the social distancing markers. This reminds me of being at Walt Disney World. All the different social distancing markers are themed on some of the attractions, and it's nice that they did the little touch here. I wonder if they'll do this inside the park. They probably will. They're definitely controlling the amount of people going into the soundstage, so I wouldn't think that there's that many people in there in general. So similar to World of Disney. All right, here we go. Look at this. It's bringing back memories from when I used to work here. This is usually the way I would come in to get to work. And then, yeah, this is the entrance to the new shop. The Disneyland Backlot Premiere Shop, which is awesome. I'm glad they're finally utilizing the space because for a while there they really weren't using it. Here we go. We got the red carpet treatment and everything. Look at that beautiful sign. Got hand sanitizer for you just in case. Ooh, and here we go. Look at this. Oh, thank God we're in the shade because I turn into a lobster when I'm out in the sun. Now on a Thursday, I only waited about 10 minutes with no virtual queue, and I would probably guess that on the weekends, including Friday, they'll use virtual queue because of the demand for this, because people are going to want to check it out, and for the first couple of weeks it's going to be busy, but it will eventually die out because the hype will just kind of die out a little bit. But yeah, this is just an extension of World of Disney, so if you didn't want to go over there first, you can definitely come over here and get a lot of the same items. We have plenty of registers all set up, ready to go, so if it does get a little busy, don't worry, you probably won't be waiting that long. They're definitely not using the full capacity of the soundstage. There is a lot of duvetine where those projector screens are, kind of blocking off a different section of the theater. So there's definitely room to expand if they ever want to make this a little bit larger. And you know what that would be really cool to do is if they would hang some like decorations or something up on this, the truss systems that hold all the lights and all the intelligent lights and stuff. It'd be kind of cool to hang some like big cobwebs or something, or spooky banners for Halloween. And I'm sure if this is going to be used for the holiday season, it'd be nice to also see some Christmas and decorations and different holiday decorations in here. It'd be pretty neat. Oh, could you imagine if they would make it snow in here? Ooh, that would be epic. They do have some really cool Jungle Cruise items. I'm trying to see if I can find some items that they don't have at inside World of Disney. Oh, I actually didn't see these at World of Disney. These are the Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout t-shirts. Those are pretty neat. This one right here is $36.99, and this one is also $36.99. Okay, I haven't seen these purple ears before, so be on the lookout for these. They might sell out because I haven't seen these before, and if they're new, and I know how people are with ears, these will be gone in a few seconds. $29.99. But yeah, not really noticing a lot of new stuff. It's just what you pretty much find at World of Disney, which, it's not a bad thing. It's just, again, alleviating the traffic out in downtown Disney. They have these Coco keychains, which are pretty neat. I love that. You got Miguel's guitar right there. We also have the guitar on this side. And it looks like it's a red, so these are $9.99. Not too shabby. Well, look at this on the other side of the wall as we exit. They have like a little like photo op. That's what it looks like when you walk down the red carpet and they have like the little photo op in the background. So look at that. All they need is some photographers to take your photo, and you're like a celebrity here at the Disneyland Backlot premiere shop. I love these projections. Look at the pumpkin having a good time there, and all the pumpkin friends just falling down in the background. Oh, look at this on the way out. This is from the old Who Wants to Be a Millionaire play-it attraction. I'm surprised they kept that. I mean, Disney likes to keep a lot of things, especially working here. I noticed a couple things backstage, but never knew they had this. This is really cool. So yeah, overall, it's pretty neat. It's nice to be able to get in California Adventure just for a tiny little bit, at least it's something. But it kind of sucks walking backstage and knowing that you're just footsteps away from on stage at California Adventure. It definitely hurts a little bit. It hurts just a little bit. But nonetheless, it's a nice little shop to alleviate some of the traffic out here in downtown Disney. The Disneyland Backlot Premiere Shop was a nice little addition. Yeah, they do anticipate this being a pretty popular addition to downtown Disney, so they've prepared by adding a lot of the social distancing markers at the ticket booths closest to the Disneyland entrance side. So they're ready to go. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel and you love theme park content, especially from Florida, which we're going out to in just a couple days, so be sure to look out for that. But yeah, if you love all that content, feel free to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you stay up to date on every time I post new videos. I also have some new merch available, like this t-shirt that I'm wearing right now, and if you guys are interested in picking one up, I'll leave that link down below in the description. I also have some rainbow items available too, and during the month of October, if you purchase a rainbow item, I'll take a portion of that revenue and donate to the Trevor Project. So that's throughout the whole month of October, so be sure to check that out down below in the description. But other than that, I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.